Hello, this is How To Bob, and in this video I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and replace the turn signal relay on a Honda Shadow. As you can see in this picture, this is my turn signals when they're on, absolutely nothing. So we're going to go up to the front left hand side of the motorcycle just below the handlebars, and you'll see a little cover here. Now this cover is held on by two plastic screws. Simply unscrew each one and they'll pull out because they're just plastic. And once I get the screw out, I can show you the clip. This is the clip where the screw goes into. So I'll go ahead and take out the other screw the same way. Now that I have both screws out, I can go ahead and take the cover off. You can see here the turn signal relay is kind of buried in behind some other wires. So what I'm going to do is unhook these wires. There's a little metal hook and kind of get them out of the way so I can access the turn signal relay located here. And then what I do is just pull it off. There's a little suspension piece, a little rubber piece, and then just gently pull that off, and then you can see it's plugged in on the side. So we just push down on the tab here and gently pull it out. You don't want to pull on the wires, of course, but you do have to push down on the tab to get it to release. Once you get it released, this is what your turn signal relay will look like. It has 3 connectors and it's pretty basic. Okay, now I'm going to do a little testing to make sure that the turn signal relay is the problem. To start out, I need about 1 inch of wire stripped at both ends. Doesn't have to be anything heavy. And what I'm going to do is put the wire in the connector where I took the relay out of. Now the 2 wires that I want to jumper here are the white, green, and the gray wire. The gray wire is the center one, so you want to jumper the white, green with the gray. And what that does is make the lights stay on. So once I get those jumpered, I can go ahead and turn the ignition on. And then I'm going to turn my turn signal on here. And you'll see that the light stays on. That indicates that the wiring in the bike on that side is good. So I'll check the front one, and I'm going to go ahead and try the other side, and you'll see that that also works. And we'll check the front one. You see that that also works. So the next test is going to require a meter, and I'm going to set that to ohms here. And I'm going to check my meter and make sure that it zeroes out just by putting the leads together here. And it should go to 0, and it does. So what I want to do is attach the green wire on the plug here, and I'm going to check continuity against the frame of the motorcycle. So just gently push the lead of the meter into the green wire, and then I'm going to touch the body or frame of the motorcycle several times and check the continuity. As you can see, the continuity is good, so everything appears to be fine. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the relay. Here we have the new relay. I'm going to go ahead and put the suspension piece on here. This little rubber piece is what hangs the relay from the bike, and you just have to push it on there, kind of work it back and forth, being careful not to break the tab off of the relay. Once I get the suspension piece on the relay, I can go ahead and plug it into the bike. The plug will only fit in one way, so it's very easy. Once I get that plugged in, you want to make sure it's snapped in tight. I can go ahead and hang the relay from the suspension piece. It's a little rubbery piece that kind of isolates the vibration on the relay, and it just slides back into place. Just simple as that. Now I can turn my ignition on, and I'm going to check my lights and make sure that they blink. I hear the flasher working, and we look at the lights here, and it appears that that has solved my problem. Let's check the left one here, and we'll also check the front one to make sure that it works, and we'll check the other side, and it appears that that fixed my problem. So all that's left to do is put the cover back on, the 2 screws, one here and one here. I hope the testing part of this video helped out, because the turn signal relay retails for right around $60, and usually electrical parts are not returnable. This is How To Bob. Thanks for watching.